Marie cooking. Hello guys, today we're gonna cook meringue roll with berries. For this recipe we will need egg whites, sugar, lemon juice, a pinch of salt, cornstarch, cream cheese, berries, and water. Let's start cooking. For berry filling, heat the berries. I took cherries and raspberries. Add sugar. Stew for a few minutes, reducing the excess liquid. When half of the juice boils away, blend the mass and rub it through a sieve. Bake the mass to the stove. Add starch diluted in water. Stir for 1 minute. Now let's cook the meringue. Add the egg whites to the bowl. If you have a weak mixer, to whip the whites better and faster, I advise you to put the bowl in a form with hot water. Then start whipping. Add sugar in parts and lemon juice. In the end, add starch. Whip to stiff peaks. Life hack for fixing parchment. Put a bit of whipped whites on the bottom. Put a little vegetable oil. Spread the egg whites. Lay out the layer evenly, 1 cm thick. Also you can make lines or other patterns. Bake at 160 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Now let's start cooking cream. Whip cream, add cream cheese and sugar. After baking, leave meringue for 10 minutes to cool. Cover the meringue with parchment paper and turn over. Remove the parchment. Put the cream. Spread over. Add berry filling. Wrap it in the roll carefully. Serve with whipped cream and berries. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and push the like button. Bon appetit!